Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2019 Ford Everest, stock number 7418. It's run from the 6th 2018 to the 5th 2022. It's a UA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine, backed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is a FKA RV 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight. Left rear 18-inch factory tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light, sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.